Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell. This is my Project 4 video review for MiU 1211. Going into this week, I did see a need due to previous courses telling us the importance of keeping your branding consistent and always putting it in appropriate placement in your app whenever possible to kind of keep that user knowing your logo and your branding and keep it relevant. That way, also, I feel like it's important because if somebody would have passed by and maybe look at an app you're using and they might see, they might look at it and say, ooh, that looks pretty neat. They would then be able to, if they see that logo, that particular logo on the app, they'll be able to, identify it. And you might have a few users based off solely your logo. That's why you see so many people spend a lot of money on commercials and incorporating their logo in each commercial to keep it relevant. But like right here, what I decided to do, normally you would put your logo on the left, but the way I did my app is the title is not really my logo per se. It's more of, the home page has the title, but as you go through my app, I always change my title of that particular page. So I figured, having my branding to the right would be more appropriate because I have escape hatches on my left, like the back button and whatnot. So each page you click on actually has my branding to the right and has an escape hatch. One thing I did do this week was I actually got all my browse buttons working using pretty much the methods that we were taught in VFW, sorting through the data. I actually got all my browse buttons to work, so I thought that was pretty cool to be able to incorporate the same principles and get that to work. My understanding of jQuery Mobile is really, the few hues, many values that we were taught this week. jQuery Mobile pretty much does that for you. I mean, they show you the importance of simplifying your color scheme. That way, the user can identify, every page. They know they're in the right place. Like, say if a user's on your app and they change a page and they put their phone down and they come back and they pick it up. If the page looks very different, they're going to kind of forget what app they're in or what they're doing if you have your colors kind of just all over the place. So I think it's important. I kind of stuck with this teal color and this like metallic or gray, smoky gray gradient. Try to keep that consistent throughout the app. And I do change my headline every once in a while. Like click on the add items, it's green, but it's still keeping with the same color scheme. The top of my form is like the gray, and then as you go down to the bottom, it turns into the green on the gray on the green with the teal. And I also incorporated this in my display items. Every other thing is gray, alternating. So I mean, I try to keep that pretty consistent. Going on from here, I actually be going to statistics, but I do believe the importance of this course was implementing the stuff we already learned, like about the branding and whatnot. I feel like we took it a step further and started like really, all the stuff we were taught coming to life, and we started implementing and actually getting thorough reasons why things should be the way they are, and actually applying those principles to our own apps. So I think this course was very, very important, kind of like bringing it all together. And I look forward to advanced scalable data infrastructures. And I feel like I'm very prepared. I do need to, stay on top of my programming and keep practicing as I go through statistics. That way I won't get rusty. But I'm really excited about moving forward. I feel like I've learned a lot, and I feel like I'm equipped. And I want to thank my instructor for this course and all the good advice and all the good teachings and patience. And I hope you all enjoy your journey. You always can contact me if you need any help or any assistance. And you all have a great rest of the course and the rest of a good time here at Full Sail. Thank y'all for listening.